Okay, so now that you have familiarized yourself with this course and gotten to know a little bit about me, and have learned a little bit about how to use Flipgrid, let's get started with learning a little bit about the good design needed to have an effective course. And that all starts with goals and objectives. Really and truly, you want to focus in on one major goal, maybe two, typically not more than that. So for week one, the real first week of the real content that you will have, the focus of this week is going to be writing a clear goal for your course. Pick one course that you'd like to sort of focus on, thinking about designing or redesigning. And so think about how you might, the goal that you might have for that course. And then we're going to also focus on the 3 to 5 major objectives that students must master in order to achieve that course goal. And so the reason why this module is important for you is because as an instructor of the course, it's really essential that you're able to clearly articulate what the goal is or the outcome, like what every student should be able to achieve by the end of this course, by the end of the semester. You should be able to communicate that with all of the stakeholders, the students, the administrators, future employers. And when you think about the course goal, you should ask yourself, what is it that students should know and be able to do by the end of this course? And so once you have really clearly answered that question, then you've got to decide what's the knowledge and skills that are required in order for students to reach that goal. So these are 2 steps that are extremely critical in creating a well-designed course that's clearly aligned and built for student success. So a lot of times we start with the textbook first. So I really want to discourage you from that natural step, and let's have you stop and think and ponder, what is it that students really, what's the goal? What is it that they need to be able to do by the end of this course? And then, so the learning objectives, the goal and the objectives for this course. So the goal is that we're going to enable you to design and facilitate effective instructional experience for students here at the U of M. And how we're going to do that is apply backward design principles to course development and help you to develop clear learning goals and objectives. So this week, kind of a heavy week, particularly if this is new to you. If it's not new to you, it may be kind of easy, but we're going to be learning about what goals and objectives are. We're going to have you draft out your first course goal or goals, please no more than 2. And then I've got a video that I think does a really good job of showing you how to write learning objectives using a method called the ABCD. Now the video is actually going to reorganize those letters and call it the CABD. That's okay. What order doesn't matter. They start with the condition first, and that's okay. And then I'm going to have you start to brainstorm learning objectives and try to start working on developing some of those. And then number 6, you'll do some course goal and learning objective discussion. So after you've built some, I'm going to have you put them in the discussion post and get some feedback from one another. And then we'll take a short quiz, 3 questions just to sort of test yourself, and there'll be feedback there. So the next module that you'll do after this will be assessment and grading. So that's the way that we'll kind of learn. So as you can see, everything that you need for this module is right here. So you'll click on goals and objectives and all the content will be housed there. I would like to briefly kind of touch on this page here. When you click on that, that page, it downloads a document for you, okay? So that document downloaded, let's see if it's going to allow me to click on it. Doesn't seem like it wants to let me click on it. Okay, there we go. All right, and this sheet is a sheet you're going to want to save on your computer or save in your Google Drive or your OneNote or your OneDrive. And this is the handout that you will turn in at the end of the course. So this is what you're going to want to work on. Type in here, write in here. Don't worry if you lose this, you can come back and get another one. But this is where you're going to do this assignment. Steps 1 and 2 is what we're going to focus on. So goals, objectives, assessment, and then we'll focus in on the lessons, okay? And so this is what you'll work on here each week. As you can see, all of it's here. We'll map it all out here. So that sheet is what you need. All right, and then there's a video for you there. We got a little screenshot here just to help you see. We've highlighted what we want you to focus on. This link right here will take you to the discussion topic. Please let me know if anything is not working properly on your end. Everything should. And then this here will be a short quiz for you. Okay? I hope you have a great week. Again, take your time through the week. I don't want you to get in a hurry and move too fast.